Did you know that choosing the wrong data type in your code can slow down your program or even crash it? Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, understanding data types is crucial for writing efficient and bug-free code. What are data types? A data type defines the kind of value a variable can hold. Think of it like organizing your fridge. If a bottle is labeled milk, you wouldn't expect to find orange juice inside. Programming languages categorize data into different types, such as numbers, e.g. 42, 3.14, text strings, e.g. hello world, Boolean values, true or false, lists or arrays, collections of multiple values, objects or custom data types, structured data. Let's go through how we can use these different data types in Visual Studio Code. We'll start with numbers. Under integer values, we have a positive and a negative number. Let's do some maths on these two numbers. When I input print positive underscore integer plus negative underscore integer, the output that we get is 5. We have set up a radius measurement and a circumference formula here using our predefined pi value of 3.14 and radius of 2.5. When we run print circumference, Python outputs the circumference of a circle for us. All we need to do is provide the radius. Integer values are whole numbers. Floating point numbers are decimal numbers. Now let's print two join strings or text variable data types that we have created. Print greeting underscore message plus person underscore name. The output will be good morning, Alice. Booleans when we print is underscore user underscore logged underscore in. The output is true. When we run print is underscore form underscore empty, the output is false. For a list, also known as arrays, here when we print, let's find the length of our number list or how many values it holds. Len number underscore list. The output will be 5 as there are 5 values in our number list. Let's print our two lists. Print number underscore list plus mixed underscore data underscore list. Why data types matter? Understanding data types is crucial because they determine how data is stored and processed. They help prevent errors, such as trying to perform maths on a number in text. They improve code efficiency and clarity. Proper data types enable seamless data manipulation. This wraps up our introduction to data types in programming. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Our next video will deep dive into variables in programming. Make sure you subscribe to be notified. Do you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Drop a comment below. Happy coding!